Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out this Thunder electric water gun.
It sound right, boys.
So here's what we got from the box. We have our lithium-ion battery right here, and this is a rechargeable pack, 7.4 volts, 500 milliamp per hour. This one is the charger right here, so you connect this one with the battery from the terminals, and you can use any USB adapters on this USB interface for the charger, or you can plug it in any of your available ports from your computer or desktop. You also get this small Phillips screwdriver and our main electric water gun, which is colored white and blue. We can also use a power bank right here with USB interface to charge our battery, and connect this terminal to the battery pack. I just put it in like so. And there we go. So a LED indicator for charging our battery pack. So here's our main electric water gun. So it somewhat looks like a Nerf gun still, right? So the construction, plastic in here, decals, textures on the grip handle, and there's our trigger, and the blaster grip is caged, so it depends on how big or small your hands are, because this is a little tight, so I can barely fit my hands, and I have very large hands, but still I can operate it. So you just have this one trigger, launch our water through our water barrel on front. The 500 ml water tank is here, placed here on the front of our electric water gun. What it does is you put this on a pail of water and it should automatically absorb the water so it can fill the 500 ml tank that we have inside. Theoretically, that's what should happen, and another part should be our battery compartment just under our blaster grip. So it has one screw head which you open with the included small Phillips screwdriver. So there we got our battery compartment open. This is also where you will find the connection for our battery pack, which is similar in terms of the terminal to our charger. So what we do is we connect this terminal to the terminal from the battery pack, just like with the charging cable. Now theoretically our electric water gun should be powered. There's no on and off button here or anything like that. So what you do is you insert this battery pack inside. It should fit. There's a lot of room in there, and you close this back with our Phillips screwdriver, and there we go. Our electric water gun should now be powered with our lithium-ion battery pack. we still do not have water in the tank, but since we already have power from the battery pack, if you pull on the trigger, this is what will happen. It will snap as if it's launching water already. So now it is time to fill our 500 ml tank with water. So you can fill this up with our normal garden hose using our faucet, or maybe if you have a metal frame pool filled with water, you can also use that. So we are using that. So as you can see, this it's filled with water, right? So this is our electric water gun. As the manual says, you just have to dip it into the water and it should automatically absorb water to its fill, which is 500 ml of water. So there you go, guys. You have just seen our electric water gun in action, and yes, it does pack a punch. In terms of launching our water bullets, that is indeed a powerful launching mechanism for our electric water gun today. Just take note that it takes time before it absorbs water from a bucket, or on our case, our metal frame pool filled with water. So you just have to dip this part to water and it automatically absorbs the water to its fill, which is 500 ml. It should be amounting to about 200 shots of water bullets. Just remember not to dip this part into your water source. You can dip up to this part because this part is the electric parts. Our battery is inside here and our trigger. So do not soak this one past this point. Still a lot of fun. It packs a punch in terms of launching those water projectiles from our tank, and it's still a lot of fun, and that's what's important. Your kids will definitely love this when they're playing on the beach or on any swimming pools, maybe at home. This will be a lot of fun for them, and I think they will really enjoy this. So I want to check the Thunder electric water gun out. We will put our links on our video description. If you have any more questions and inquiries, please put them all down below. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of the Thunder electric water gun. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, and get notified when we upload another one of our toy reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect.
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.